Ever wondered how a rock can change a lake's water level? Let's solve this mystery. Imagine you're in a small boat on a calm lake. Inside the boat, there's a large rock. Now, if you pick up the rock and throw it into the lake, what happens to the water level? Does it rise, fall, or stay the same? At first glance, you might think the water level should rise because of the added rock. But hold up. Let's break it down. When the rock is in the boat displaces water equal to the rock's weight. This pushes the water level up. But when you throw the rock into the rock sinks and displaces water equal to its volume. Since the rock is denser than water, it displaces less water than when it was in the boat. So, the water level actually goes down. Mind blown? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool riddles and science fun. Got a physics puzzle you want solved? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.